If you've ever taken a screenshot in Steam and then spent way too long trying to find where it's saved on your PC, this video is going to save you a lot of time. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find Steam screenshots on your computer in just a few simple steps. This is super useful if you want to back up your screenshots, upload them somewhere else, edit them, or just make sure they're actually saved where you expect them to be. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your PC and make sure you're signed into the account that you used to take the screenshots. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on View. This opens a menu with a few different options, and the one you want here is Screenshots and Recordings. Click that and Steam will open its built-in screenshot manager. Inside this screen, you'll see the screenshots that you've taken while using Steam. If you have a lot of them, you can scroll through and find the one you're looking for. Once you've located the screenshot, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, choose Show on Disk. Steam will then open the exact folder on your PC where that screenshot is stored. That means you can now copy it, move it, upload it, or edit it however you want. This is the fastest way to find the real file location, instead of guessing through folders manually. If you want to open more screenshots later, you can always come back to the same screenshots and recordings section in Steam and repeat the process. So just to recap, open Steam, go to View, select Screenshots and Recordings, then right-click the screenshot and choose Show on Disk. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.